Hey there guys, so what is up? In this video we are going to show you how you can record your income in QuickBooks Online. It's actually pretty easy. All you need to do is sign into your account, and once you are logged in and you are in your dashboard, you want to look at your left hand side. This is your main menu here. You want to hover your mouse on create. So in create, this pop-up will appear. On other, right, you want to click on bank deposit. So when you click bank deposit, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And here you can pretty much type in or fill in your income. So here you need to, choose the right account. You need to make different accounts for different, sources of income for your business. And then here you need to change the date when you fill in the data. So fill in the date after that. The first option here, the first cell here is received from. So this is, you're going to enter where the money came from, where your income came from, and then what account is it going to be. Is it going to be under sales retail, sales wholesale? Is it going to be under interest income, so on and so forth? And then you're just going to add, let's go back, there we go. And then under description, you just need to type in the description of this account, and then the payment method. Is it going to be cash, check, credit card, or debit? If you have a reference number, and then the amount of the money that you got from this specific order, right? So that is how you can fill in or add your income on QuickBooks. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.